Good evening friends, welcome to Learner 171's channel. Let us do analysis for the upcoming week, that is from Monday to Friday, na ki Thursday the expiry, that is from 26th of June to 30th of June, right? So this is from Monday to Friday, but before going any further, let us analyze कि हमने कल क्या डिस्कशन किया था आज के एनालिसिस के लिए, राइट? सो वी हैड अ वेरी क्लियर कट सिनेरियो. इवन दो इफ वी ओपन फ्लैट गैप अप और गैप डाउन, वी विल नॉट कंसिडर फॉर एनी लॉन्ग्स, राइट? इफ यू चेक yesterday's video, I had mentioned it very clearly. For Nifty, I mentioned only if the gap up opening is able to survive above the swing high, we would think about it. But clearly I mentioned that as long as there is flat gap down, any opening which is trying to go above the swing high, we will not go for longs, right? That was the first thing. Another thing is, on 5 minutes frame, I had mentioned that flat खुलते ही अगर if we break the swing low, right? फ्लैट खुलते ही अगर स्विंग लो ब्रेक हो जाए, एक नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन आए, वी विल गो फॉर 100 पॉइंट्स अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? 18750 से 18650 तक. एंड इफ यू सी द स्विंग लो टुडे, इट इज एट 18647. व्हाई वी डिस्कस द 100 पॉइंट्स का अपॉर्चुनिटी? वी मेंशनड इट वेरी क्लियर कि यहां से अगर सपोर्ट आए और एक पॉजिटिव प्राइस एक्शन बन जाए, राइट? जैसे यहाँ पे बना है, जैसे यहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव प्राइस एक्शन बना था, सो प्राइस कैन अगेन पंप अप, राइट? वी हैड डिस्कस्ड दिस ऑन दिस कैंडल फ्रेम्स आल्सो, राइट? इन प्रीवियस कैंडल फ्रेम्स आल्सो कि लोअर लॉस प्राइस एक्शन में अगर कोई नया प्राइस एक्शन ऐसा बन रहा है in the lower loss price action, if there is any new candlesticks patterns which is breaking previous swing high, right, it is better to exit. If we don't exit, then it will again drain all the premiums. This we have discussed so many times. That is what happened today in Nifty. That is what it happened in Bank Nifty also, right? There was a downward move which happened in first 15 to 20 minutes only. The entire price action has happened. Now what if you entered even after the first 5 minutes candle? There was still 50 points ka opportunity in Nifty and there was still a 70 points opportunity in Bank Nifty. Seeing the reversal, if you would have exited here within the first hammer itself in both the candles, still you would have exited in profit, because then again the draining happened, right? On forum also I had mentioned this. I had mentioned somewhere closer to 10:15 to 10:30 p.m. itself that it has already given 100 points downward possibility in Nifty and Bank Nifty also for 43,500, that is closer to 43,519. Now both these spots are already completed 100 points downfall. Over trading wouldn't be good. Bigger frames on weekly changes only if Nifty spot can close above yesterday's high, which is 18,886. Similarly for BN above 44,085. Till then every bounce would be sold, right? This is what I had discussed today on forum also, कि तब तक every bounce will be sold, and that is the reason in video also we mentioned that we will not look for any long opportunity. So that was today's analysis which we discussed yesterday. Now what for weekly frames? In order to understand weekly frames in such a volatility wherein Bank Nifty you are saying कि 200 points fall हो गया, 200 points ऊपर चला गया, वापस 200 points fall आ गया. Nifty maybe it went 100 points down, again 100 points up, again went 100 points down, right? जब इतनी बड़ी वॉलेटिलिटी है, इवन दो व्हेन द इंडिया विक्स इज नॉट पंपिंग, राइट? इंडिया विक्स ऐसे नहीं कि एकदम 13-15 पे चला गया, इट इज स्टिल इन दैट 11-12 का रेंज इटसेल्फ, राइट? इसलिए दैट इज द रीजन वी विल फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि मंडे का प्राइस एक्शन कैसा है. इफ मंडेज प्राइस एक्शन स्टेज इन द लोअर लो स्ट्रक्चर इटसेल्फ, देन वी विल कंटिन्यू द सेम एनालिसिस फॉर वीकली आल्सो. If Monday it continues lower low, we will continue the same analysis. Only if Monday changes into higher highs, then we will change the structure of the weekly. That is the reason Monday's analysis is important. Now if we come back on days frame, right? If we come back on days frame, let me close all this line. And you may notice that we have given a confirmation to the previous red closing, right? To the previous weakness ka closing, we have given confirmation today with the red closing in Nifty. In Bank Nifty also, if I come back on days frame, let me just close this line. In Bank Nifty also, if I close all this line, and you may see that this doji is again had made a lower body towards the previous closing. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty are weak on days. That is first thing. Second thing, if I go back on weekly frames, right? If I go back on weekly frames, you may see that this has somewhat made an engulfing. Even though this is a harami pattern because the entire previous week candle is not engulfed, but still you may जो भी बची हुई बॉडी है, that is also not that big. That is the reason this is still like an engulf, right? So on weekly frames also, Nifty is weak, right? On Nifty is weak. What about Bank Nifty? If I come back on weekly frames in Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty on weekly frames, you may notice that आज जो Bank Nifty की बॉडी बनी है on weekly frames, it is finally a lower body compared to the previous 5 weeks. Why previous 5 weeks? Look from here, from 15th में ये जो body थी इसका low we were not able to break in the next week. Again, what was this body? This body's low this week candle. The body I am saying, I am not talking about the shadow, I am talking about the body. Again 29th May का body was not able to break this previous low. Again 5th June was not able to break 29. Similarly 12th was not able to break 5th June. But today's body has broken all the previous bodies, right, in the lower frames. So on the weekly basis, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are weaker. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are weaker on weekly. Nifty and Bank Nifty are weaker on days too, right? What on hourly basis? If I come back on hourly frames and I bring back all the lines, hourly frames पे पूरे लाइन लाने के बाद you may notice that this 13th June का support, right? ये जो 13th June का support है, what is the low of this support? The low is 18,641. अभी ये जो low you can observe, right? This low of 18,641. ये जो low Nifty ने बनाया था on 13 June, you may see from 13 June till 23rd of June, there is not a single candle which has came closer to this low, right? ये जो low 18,641 का है, 13 जून से लेके 23rd of June तक there is not a single candle which is closer to this. Even if you look at this candle of 23rd June, इसका लो क्या है 18,647 है, right? इसका लो 18,647 है. So now we know that this is a stronger support, right? We know that this is the stronger support. इसलिए फ्लैट खुलने के बाद if this low is broken, फ्लैट खुलने के बाद अगर ये लो ब्रेक होता है with a negative price action, whenever I say negative price action, let me come back to 15 minutes in order to make you understand this. Okay, now let me just scroll. Okay, so now on 15 minutes frame, if we see a negative price action below this line, and this can be a false breakdown also, right? कि यहाँ से अगर ये line टूट जाए 18,630 तक आ जाए, 18,620 तक आ जाए, and from here the price can again reverse, right? कि यहाँ से अगर तोड़ भी देता है और तोड़ के again if price is reversing, right? So we don't want the SL to be hit. इसलिए that is the reason we will trade itself in very lesser lots. If you are taking 10 lots, take only 5 lots. If you are taking 5 lots, take only 2 or 3 lots. If you are already in 3 or 4 lots, take only 1 or 2 lots, right? Why? Because now volatility is also there. तो फ्लैट खुलने के बाद अगर ये लो ब्रेक होता है 18,640 का, I'll take a put का trade for again another 100 points. Which 100 points? From here towards this swing low. What is this swing low? Till 18,550. यहाँ से again if it is making this kind of bullish hammer का pattern, if it is again making this kind of pattern, right? From here if it starts making this kind of pattern, then I'll exit the trade. So flat opening, if it breaks the low, I'm interested for 100 points ka journey. From here, I'll see whether the price action is maintaining sideways, whether it is breaking the previous swing high, right? And in that way, I'll stay in the trade or I'll think of exiting. Flat opens the low. We are interested for 100 points. यहाँ से if it again breaks the low, then we are interested for 18,460 का opportunity also, right? For the bigger frames with flat opening. What if we open flat and start going up? Again, we are avoiding the trade. We will not think of long now as long as Nifty is not able to survive above 18,886. जब तक Nifty 18,886 के ऊपर days candle closing नहीं देता, we are not thinking about long opportunity. Why? Because since Thursday, every pump is being sold. इसलिए फ्लैट खुल के अगर ऊपर जाता है, let it go. If it is touching all time high, let it touch. There will again be many opportunities, right? That is the reason with flat opening, if it is going up, we will avoid. What if we open gap down? Any gap down opening below this swing low. Let me bring back this line again. I'll just bring back this horizontal line again, right? Now, any gap down opening which is below 18,640, if it is closer to 18,590, if it is closer to 18,600, if it is closer to 18,552. So any gap up down opening at this range, I'll wait for 30 minutes, see what is the price action, right? If price action is going sideways करके अगर low तोड़ देता है, right? If price action after a gap down opening, let's say if price action is being this way, right? ऐसे प्राइस एक्शन होने के बाद ओनली इफ इट ब्रेक्स लो आई एम इंटरेस्टेड फॉर पुट, राइट? ऐसे प्राइस एक्शन करने के बाद इफ इट इज गोइंग अप आई एम नॉट टेकिंग पुट, राइट? देन आई लीव द ट्रेड विद गैप डाउन ओनली इफ इट ब्रेक्स द लो आफ्टर 30 मिनट्स, देन आई एम इंटरेस्टेड. वेटिंग आफ्टर 30 मिनट्स, before 30 minutes I'll not enter the trade, right? That is for gap down opening. We discuss flat downward scenario, we discuss flat upward scenario also, we discuss gap down. We will wait for 30 minutes. Price action अगर negative जाता है, only then we will stay in the trade, because from Thursday we are already in the downward trajectory, right? There is already a downward reaction. What if we open gap up? Now, if we open gap up, if I take this trend line, okay, if I draw a trend line from here, if I connect this point also, and if I take it from here, okay. Now, any gap up opening, if it is coming closer to 18740, if it is coming closer to 18750, यहाँ पे अगर कोई भी gap up opening आ जाए और यहाँ से अगर वापस वो negative price action बनाए, the same negative price action that you are seeing closer to this line, right? So if any gap up opening happens somewhere closer to this line, somewhere closer to this high, with the negative price action, I am again interested to short till the previous close, right? Till the previous close. और यहाँ से भी अगर price action नीचे जाता है, I'll still stay in the trade. Only if the gap up is sustained with positive price action, I am leaving the trade. We will not take calls ka trade for Monday as long as higher highs pattern doesn't return, right? This is the lower lows pattern. As long as it doesn't return, we are not interested in long. So we discussed gap up, both the scenarios. We discussed flat, both the scenarios. We covered gap down also in Nifty, right? If you come back on hourly frames of Nifty, on the hourly frames, let me reset the chart view. You may notice that this support, as we discussed earlier also, this is one of the strongest supports which has not been broken since 13th of June. That is the reason once we start seeing price action downwards, from here there is 18550's opportunity also, and only if this is broken with negative price action, we can see 18460 also, and 18460 is the support which has been stronger for entire May and June series. May के आखिर में, not entire May, I would say from 29th of May. From 29th of May till the mid of the June, this support has stayed stronger. If a dates candle can close below this, right? अगर dates candle इसके नीचे भी close हो जाती है, as we discussed flat या gap down के साथ भी, we are getting this lower lows का opportunity, and if this is also broken, right? If 18460 is also broken, then there is further 18350's opportunity and 18250's opportunity also. But we will stay in the trade. Remember, whenever I say कि downward opportunity है, we are discussing this kind of price action, right? We are discussing this kind of price action. Even if it goes sideways, ऐसे sideways जाके it shouldn't happen कि वापस ऊपर जा रहा है, right? वापस ऊपर जा रहा है, we will exit in this swing also. We will not wait कि ये swing इतना ऊपर जाए और पूरा premium ही खा ले, right? So even if it goes sideways से वापस it should go downwards itself, right? Again break the consolidation. So this way, if it breaks 18460 also, we are interested for further downward journey also. This way we discussed all the three scenarios for Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? Now Bank Nifty, if I come back on hourly frames, Bank Nifty, if I come back on hourly frames and if I bring back all the lines. Now when you know that there are so much wild swings happening in Bank Nifty, I'll again reduce the lot size. सबसे पहले तो मैं lot size कम करूंगा जिससे I can take bigger risks, right? If I'm taking 5 lots and I have only 30 points का SL or 40 points का SL, so for 5 lots I'm making this 3 5s are 115, so 150 points का SL I'm making, right? For 5 lots. So rather than going for 5 lots, I'll just take 2 lots or even 1 lot for Bank Nifty, so I can have a bigger SL for bigger reward, right? So if in Bank Nifty, if we open flat खुलते, if we are able to break this low, why this low? You may notice in the first hour, this 915 का candle, what is this low? 43,519. ये लो बनने के बाद पूरे दिन में बैंक निफ्टी even with such a wild swings never ever broke this low, right? Never ever broke this low after it was made in the first hour. That is the reason once this low is broken, what is this low? It is 43,519. ये लो फ्लैट खुलने के बाद अगर ब्रेक होता है विद नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन, ऐसे नहीं कि इसके पास आके देयर इज अ हैमर बीइंग मेड, राइट? हैमर नहीं बनना चाहिए यहाँ पे आके. इफ दिस लो इज ब्रोकन, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड फॉर अ पुट फॉर द फर्स्ट टारगेट ऑफ 43,379. यहाँ से भी अगर इफ प्राइस एक्शन गोज नेगेटिव, आई विल गो फॉर फर्दर टारगेट्स, राइट? आई विल गो फॉर फर्दर टारगेट्स दैट वी विल आल्सो डिस्कस जस्ट इन अ मिनट. फ्लैट ओपनिंग, if it breaks 43,500, we are interested in downward journey. Flat opening, if it starts going up, we are avoiding the trade, right? Flat open hoki, agar if it takes resistance at this line, right? This downward trending line that we have done since 8th of June. फ्लैट खुलते ही ऊपर जाए, यहाँ से भी नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन बनाए समवेयर क्लोजर टू 43,800 और समवेयर क्लोजर टू 43,870. यहाँ से अगर नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन बनाए, वी आर अगेन इंटरेस्टेड इन शॉर्टिंग टिल द प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग, और वहां से भी नीचे जाए, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड. So flat negative, we are interested. Flat ऊपर जाके वापस negative बनाए, we are interested. But flat if it keeps breaking this and keeps on going for the higher frames, we are avoiding. Gap up also similarly like Nifty. Any gap up closer to 43, any gap up which is closer to 43,800 or any gap up above 43,800 also till 43,850. If it makes negative price action, we are again interested in shorting. If it is survived with a positive candle and if it keeps on going up, we are avoiding. What about gap down? अगर gap down खुल जाए और गैप डाउन इज बिलो 43,500, वी आर अगेन इंटरेस्टेड फॉर शॉर्टिंग. गैप डाउन इसके नीचे खुल जाए और यहाँ पे नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन करे, राइट, इस तरीके से नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन, इस तरीके से नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन. इवन इफ आई टेक इट बैक टू 15 मिनट्स फ्रेम, राइट, look at the price action whenever it is closer to resistance, right? ऐसा price action after gap down opening, if it is breaking 43,500, making a negative price action, we are again interested in shorting. But वहां से वापस positive price action होके recover करता है, we are living the trade, right? We are living the trade. We will not think about longs or positive scenario as long as Nifty and Bank Nifty both do not recover. Nifty अगर 18,886 के ऊपर जाता है, only then we will think about long, वो भी Monday के days closing के बाद, डेज क्लोजिंग के बाद. सिमिलरली अगर बैंक निफ्टी 44,085 के ऊपर, दिस जोन, राइट, अगर 44,080 है और 44,085 के ऊपर अगर डेज क्लोजिंग देता है, ओनली देन वी विल थिंक अबाउट लॉन्ग्स, एंड फ्रॉम मंडे वी विल मेक दैट एनालिसिस. टिल देन वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन लॉन्ग. So we discussed all the three scenarios in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for the upcoming week, right? Moreover, if I take another point that I would like to add before ending this video, look at Bank Nifty on hourly frames also, right? This is the support which is going on from May, पूरे मई महीने से लेके जून महीने तक 43,379 is the support. So on Monday with the downward journey that we discussed with flat also and with gap down also, if it is able to break this 43,379 on days closing, there can be more bigger targets for 43,079. यानी more than 500 points का journey we can see all the way here, right? इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है. बट रिमेंबर, एज लॉन्ग एज लोअर लोज का फ्रेम्स इज देयर व्हिच इज नॉट ब्रेकिंग द प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई, राइट? सो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड एंड विद अ वेरी लेसर लॉट साइज सो दैट our capital would not be affected, right? That is how we will trade for upcoming week. So we have already covered all the scenarios. On that note, I am ending this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy weekend. Thank you.